Updating your billing currency on FreshBooks is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your account reflects the correct currency for your transactions. Step 1. Log into your FreshBooks account. Begin by visiting the FreshBooks website and logging into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Navigate to Settings. Once logged in, locate the Settings option in the left-hand menu. Click on it to access your account settings. Step 3. Select Billing. In the Settings menu, find and select the Billing section. This is where you can manage your billing preferences, including currency settings. Step 4. Change your currency. Look for the option to change your billing currency. Select the desired currency from the drop-down menu. Make sure to review any notes regarding currency changes, as this may affect your invoices. Step 5. Save changes. After selecting your preferred currency, scroll down and click the Save button to apply your changes. Ensure that the new currency is reflected in your account settings. By following these steps, you can easily update your billing currency on FreshBooks. If you have any further questions, refer to FreshBooks support for assistance.